Creating charts has always been boring, ugly, and a sad experience overall. Lychee changed that. I'm Mr. Pink, the creator of Lychee, and here is charts in less than 0.39 seconds. For more in-depth tutorial on specific use cases on what you can do with Lychee, check out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Head over to the left side of your screen, and it should be visible in your side panel. It might be collapsed, so just click the arrow to uncollapse it, and you should be able to see charts. Here, you can manage everything relating to your charts. When you first come on, your page is going to look similar to mine. To add a dataset, click any of the options. In this case, let's keep it simple and upload data from my machine. You can upload Excel spreadsheets, CSVs. We now support multi-sheet Excel spreadsheets, direct JSON support coming soon. Here I've uploaded data that I collected from Microsoft Clarity where my audience traffic is coming from. Once you upload your data, you have the option to view your data, go directly to charting, etc. I personally like to view my work first, just to see what data I'm working with. Here I can see my referrals and the number of sessions. I can look at column properties and I can look at what the data types are. There is a separate discussion to be had pertaining to data types because data types matter, as you very well know. Nevertheless, that's for another video. Once it's available, I'll link to it here. Now that I'm happy with my data, I like how it looks and I know what I'm looking at, I go to charts. We can select what type of data we want. Let's stick to bar chart because that probably makes the most sense in this case. I select the x-axis, which in this case I pick referrers. As you can see, the referrers populate. I pick the y-axis, which is the number of sessions. Sorry, my dog. We can name our chart. And we add a description if you want. We can hide it, or we can reveal it. We can then select our font. Let's go for Times New Roman. Let's give the x-axis a name, y-axis name. We can round the border too if we want. Here comes the fun part. I've compiled a list of world-class fonts that you can use based on tag. These are pre-selected beautiful fonts to quickly make your charts stunning. And this is where the magic happens. You can shuffle through it to get more inspiration based on the palettes. And you know, as you can see, I kind of like this. Let me set my text to black just to make it more clear. Let me set my stroke to black too, just to make it more clear. And there we go. We have a beautiful chart. And basically we can play around with the designs and uncover visualizations that are not only present the data clearly, but are always eye-catching. Thank you for watching. Links in the description below. Lychee is the most easy to use, most visually stunning, versatile, and modern charting tool on the market. Don't forget to sign up.